Do you want to know how to highlight your own hair so you can feel your best and save tons of money while doing it? Well, in this video, I'll show you how I highlighted my hair and how much I saved. Hey, it's Heidi here with more savings. Today will be a beauty savings. I'm going to show you guys how I highlight my own hair using the Revlon Frost Glow kit. This is the platinum. They also have a honey kit for darker hair. So inside the kit, you have everything you need to highlight your hair. You have your cap, which I'll show you how lovely it is. I'll put that on in a second. So you have your cap. It comes with the highlighting powder, the developer, the cream, the little tray that you put both of these in, your little spatula deal that you mix everything together. This is where you pull through the cap. You have a smaller side for subtle highlights, and if you want like chunkier, bold highlights, this is the one you'll use. It has your shampoo and conditioner after. This little cap deal, you put it on after you're done doing your highlights. It comes with gloves. So you basically have everything you need. I would recommend using a shirt, something you're not going to want to care about because you'll probably get it all over yourself. I like to change my hair color often. For those that know me, I've been burgundy, brown, blonde, you name it. I love to try different hair colors. For this amazing cap we have here, I want to show you my highlights that have outgrown. So the first thing you want to do is get all the knots out of here. And you want to make sure you part your hair the way you normally wear it. Okay. So once you have this awesome cap on, you want to take this tool. I'm going to use a smaller end. Last time when I highlighted my hair, I just used all the circles. So this time I'm going to use the opposite. And I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. This is what I do. I use the phone. And all I do is just like a mirror, you guys. And I just pull it through each little strand. And then I'll work my way up. I'm not sure how long this takes me. This time I will time it and let you guys know how long it takes me to pull it through by myself. But if you do have somebody that's able to help you out, go for it. So as you can see, I have all the hair that I want pulled through the cap. I do want to tell you, after, you want to make sure you tie the excess hair that you're not pulling through the cap, and then tuck it under your shirt if it's long enough. Now you want to take your tray and mix your highlighting powder and your creamer together using your spatula. Be careful when you open this, it is very strong with fumes and it comes out sometimes. Once you have it mixed, you want to just make sure you get all the clumps out. And then start adding it to your hair. Okay, so I have my gloves and the spatula. You can use either the spatula and add it to your hair. I really don't like to use it. I just use my fingers. It's a lot easier. I'm just gonna pull it. After you're done, you want to take the overcap that they provide and put it over your head so while you're waiting, you don't get bleach on anything. It says to check your hair every 5 to 10 minutes to see. You can leave it in for a total of 60 minutes. No longer than that, you don't want any breakage. So I'll be back in a few. So this has been in for 40 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out with the shampoo and conditioner that they provided. I wanted to let you know, I timed how long it took me to pull everything through the cap. It was around 20 minutes. If you pull it through each strand, it would take a lot longer. Or if you have somebody that will help you, it would take a lot less. So that was the timing. So about 20 minutes, I'll be right back. So now that I've washed my hair, I'm getting ready to go dry it and style it. Here we have it, my results from the Revlon Frost Glow Highlighting Kit. I do want to mention that I'm not a hairstylist. I just enjoy doing my own hair. It does save me a ton of money. This box was $12 at Walgreens. If you're lucky enough to find it at Walmart, they have it for $7. And I also want to mention that I'm not being paid or compensated in any way for using this product. It's just another product I wanted to share with you guys that I really do enjoy using. And if you have any questions, just hit me with the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.